Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move your images around Word. Sometimes when we have like a school assignment or maybe we're writing up a Word document, we have that image that just is annoying and gets in the way of our words, or maybe isn't doing what we want it to do. And really, that is just Word. Unfortunately, it isn't the easiest thing to use when it comes to inserting images, but today I'm going to show you how to do that. Another trick I'll teach you is just to insert an image. So you want to come up here to the Insert tab, and then you want to go to Pictures. Now I'm going to do online pictures. You could do this device or stock images. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose a car. And then let's just do this one right here, Lamborghini. Okay. All right, so we got a picture of a Lamborghini. Pretty self-explanatory here. But as you can see, when I try to move the image, it kind of moves wherever this line is here. Really, I can't move it left or right. And if I try, it's just not doing it. What you can do is you can shrink the image, or you can expand the image. You can even make it distorted, depending on how you want it to look. But what's really amazing about Word is you get this little square icon here. That's called Layout Options. If you click that, you have a lot of different things to mess with. We see we have square, tight. Now, for instance, if I did in front of text, you'll see that now I can move it however I want. Pretty easy. I can put it on top of the words. So that's the first setting. If you just don't care where the image is, so let's say I can just move it right up here. That's something that you could do. However, you will notice that if I delete or I start typing, you'll notice that it goes behind the image. Now, you probably don't want to have to worry about that. If that does bother you, what you could do is you can come click this, and then you could do tight. Now, tight allows you to move the image, but the words go around the image. Really kind of cool option here. For instance, I could go like this. You might see this in newspapers or maybe in an article you're reading on the internet. But yeah, so just another cool little option you can use with images. So that is kind of the basics. Really, these are just things that I've been frustrated with ever since I've been in school, and even in my adult life when I'm trying to figure out how to move images around in Word. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and turn on notifications in case you guys want any more videos from our YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.